Okay, everybody, I started my Periscope design by actually drawing out what I thought it was going to look like in the end. As you can see, I went with a shape that was kind of like an S, kind of like you would see in a normal periscope. I planned on having a 45-degree angle on each of the different corners that allowed you to see out through these edges. I originally had planned on using supplies I had at home, and specifically, I figured CDs were pretty reflective surfaces, so I tried cutting up a CD to put on the side so you would be able to see up and out through the cardboard box. A problem that I came along with as I was designing it. I got them all cut, but as you can see in the picture on the left-hand side, some of the actual reflective surface, which is actually the very front of the CD, started to peel off almost immediately. Another issue I had with this was when I tried to just put the reflective surface on there, it mostly shined a rainbow color and you couldn't see much of anything. When I redesigned it, I realized it was really hard to see through the cardboard S shape, so I actually took out part of the S shape and created another one where I had mounted compact mirrors on little triangles instead. As you guys can see in the two pictures, it was a very simple design. I had a mirror right over here and a mirror on the opposite side on the other side of the box. Quick little video to show you what my box looked like from the outside.
As you can see, I've got one mirror placed down on this side. It's just a box shape. And I've got a mirror out that side.
In total, it was about 22 inches high. And here's a short video about what it looked like when you looked through it.
That's the movies that we have over on the side. And going over, that is our fireplace, and there's our big old clock above it. Going over.
Okay, just because I'm running short on time, I won't show the rest of the video, but I will link this in my actual presentation. Designing this, there were quite a few struggles, but I think in the end I got some sort of a working device. Had I had more flat mirrors, I think it would have gone better. But that is my overall design. Thank you, everybody.